Hey guys, how are you? Are we going to start? Yes, we have already started. We have already started, guys. Let me adjust the sound so that you guys can hear properly. Yes. Excuse me for my throat. I'm still not in a very good health condition, but I will try my best. All right. No, you did not miss anything, RJ. Tess, good morning. Ethel, good to hear again. Good. Gladys, what's up? Thanks, Judith. I'm getting well. I'm getting well slowly. Let's say thank you. Hulda, good evening. Victor, can you hear me now? Chloe, can you hear me? Good day to you, everybody. So now, guys, this is Chandan Gupta from Trading Live, and let's start today's session again. And today's session is about the remaining candlesticks that we have left. The remaining candlesticks that we left that day, about which give us the idea entirely on how the movement of the candles will continue. Right. They help us to understand a lot of movement. They help us to actually understand the. They help us to understand also, like whenever we are in any chart, whenever the trend is changing, whenever the power is changing, we come to know all that with the help of candles. So let's continue and finish up the candles. All right. Let's start with the news in the meanwhile, and then we'll continue with the candles. All right. Good, 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 good. Asia thermal coal prices gets the blue from Europe and LNG. Very more news because there is never a momentum available on LNG and LNG. I mean, natural gas is. I've not seen a lot of momentum happening there, and the type of trader which we are, you and me, we are learning to become scalpers, short-term traders. So that is why you know we need momentum, we need movement, we need prices coming in and going out, right? That's why. So let's read this news. Let's read this news and then we'll decide. Okay. Asia's thermal coal prices. Seaborne thermal coal prices in Asia have slumped to the lowest in 2 years as weakening demand in Europe and falling liquefied natural gas LNG prices outweigh strong demand in the top importing region. The main grades of thermal coal from top exporters, Indonesia and Australia, extended losses last week, but relief may be in sight as the spot prices of LNG gained, breaking a run of weekly declines stretching back to mid-December. Now, okay, there has been a decline in losses both for Indonesia and Australia. LNG prices may be recovering as peak summer demand arrives, but the relief this may bring to coal prices may be limited by the ongoing push by Atlantic basin suppliers to sell into the Asian markets. Not as such, it's not that very important um, for us, news for us. All right, US stock index futures fell on Tuesday as hawkish remarks from Federal Reserve officials last week kept investors jittery as they returned after a long weekend, while a smaller than expected rate cut in China further dented sentiments. This is good. Future falls as hawkish Feds keep investors on the edge. This is what I was talking about. They have said that they will not be increasing the interest rates, but it won't be easy. They won't be giving it easy. I mean, see, whenever people say or the Feds declare that they are not increasing the interest rates, we as traders, we assume that, all right, because it's not increasing the interest rates, the rates should go down, other things should go up. But no, they are continuing a stable interest rate at 102.6, 102, above 101. I told you, if it will go below 101, we will see some decline and some jump in other currencies. But that's not happening. They are just continuing and settling up on the support of 101, and that's making impossible and difficult situation for each and every other currency and country. Let's move ahead. Fed Governor Christopher Waller warned on Friday core inflation is not coming down like I thought it would. Richmond Fed President Thomas Barkin said he was comfortable with further rate interest given that inflation was still not on the path back to 2%. Traders see a 74% chances of just 125 basis point rate hike this year, expected in July, even as the US Central Bank has signaled that borrowing cost could rise as much as half a percentage point by year end, according to the CME Group Fed Watch tool. Okay, now, this is also interesting. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended lower on Friday, weighed down by Microsoft and other market heavyweights as comments from Waller and Barkin corralled optimism into the central bank that the central bank was nearing the end of its aggressive interest rate hike. Okay, so this also means if the interest rates will not go up, we will see a good market out in the tech stocks. Adam, I'm feeling good. Thank you so much for asking, man. Nice to meet you, Tabitha. Same here. Josephine, why? Could you please ask the question again, Josephine? I think I missed it. Hello, everyone. Everybody is good, Michael. Hello. And Anastasia, what's up? Hi, Ram. Hugo, that's why. Today is for fundamental analysis. And today is not only fundamental analysis. Today we'll be finishing the candlesticks, the remaining candlesticks, and we will be taking some live trades, of course, along with trading analysis. So fundamental first, then technical, and then live trading with money making. Is the data for the pound? No, it's not the data for the pound. It's the dollar Fed rate we're talking about, man. Tech stocks will increase if they don't increase interest rates. Yes, anyways, that's what is happening. Whenever, see, like today, let's see this chart. Today, the dollar is sitting at 102.622. Okay, see the chart I'm showing you. And if you will see, all the tech stocks have gone down because there is no decline in the dollar index. Now, dollar index was expected to go down if the Fed's interest rates are not going up, right? If the US dollar index will go down, there will be a jump in Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla, and every other tech stock, including Bitcoin as well. Crypto is also one of the tech stocks. Yeah, that's what, right? So that's why US dollar index is giving very, very hard time. Thank you, JA. I think we're also having interest rates on the Swiss. Today, USD CAD moving up. I mean, dollar is giving a hard time to everybody. Everybody, yes. So let's finish the news and come on the charts ASAP. Okay. Funds bet on even deeper US yield curve inversion. Uh, I don't think that is looking like a very important news here. Funds bet on even deeper US yield curve inversion. We need to read this. I expect the dollar to head down anyway. Definitely, I also expect the dollar to head down. But the game which it is playing right now is like very important time is getting wasted of the market. And this important time can play a lot of disbalances in the charts of other instruments. That is what is happening. Dollar eventually has to go down. It has moved up a lot. It eventually has to go down. But in between of this time frame, until it is going down, it will disturb a lot of other instruments prices, and that's what it's doing. It's in a range for some days, Todd, not forever. It's not in a forever range. Remind you. Yes, yes, Bob, correct. Speculators went into the US Federal Reserve policy meeting last week, holding their biggest ever net short position in 2 years Treasury futures and betting on a further inversion of the US yield curve. Whether the Fed hikes interest rates again after its pause this month remains to be seen. But funds yield curve trade looks on the money. Short dated yield are surging above a 10 years borrowing cost, and the gap is approaching historical levels. Okay. The latest Commodity Futures Trading Committee (CFTC) data showed that the fund increased their record net short positions in 2 years Treasuries futures in the weeks through June 30 to more than 1 million contracts and reduced their net short positions in the next 10-year space for a second week. A short position is essentially a wager, an asset's price will fall, and a long position, a bet it will rise. In bonds, Yield rise when yield rise when prices fall and move lower when prices increase. So right now, what is happening with the US dollar index? It's not it's not falling down, and that's why the yield is going down. That's why the yield is going down. Okay. Individuals cannot buy treasury bills, Ira. No, no, only institutions can do that. And institutions and the buying of institutions actually make the market take a decision on the move. Like if the yield is going down and a lot of institutions are, buying it up at cheaper prices because the US dollar index is coming down, is going up or becoming stable on a support, then the market also understands, okay, the institutions are buying yield curve and that's the reason the US dollar index is becoming stable and going up as well. So market made up its mind accordingly then. Interesting. Oswald, but they can buy through brokers and their banks. That is a see. In the end, you're not the person. By the bank, you would be able to buy it. Your bank will be the first broker, and you will be like sub brokers, not sub brokers even. You will be like the end brokers, uh, holding that yield curve. But actually, the main institution would be your bank buying it. Yes, back. I'm looking on gold. Gold USD, of course. Where rates upside could come from. Okay. Forex derivatives nudged into the open as regulations increase costs. Okay. Dollar trap between inverted curves and rallying equities. Dollar trapped between inverted curves and rallying equities. Hmm. Okay. I don't see any important news here. All right. What direction do you think the dollar will be heading this week? Mariko, I have showed this yesterday. I've showed this what directions what the dollar will be doing in this week. There was a range in which it will be playing for some time. What I'll do is I'm gonna share you the complete screen again. Let me share you the chart. Are we still looking at the data? Are we expecting any major news today? Have we taken any trade this week? Yes, we did took yesterday a few trades. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So the dollar index. Dollar index. 1 second. Okay. Both learning, yeah? Thanks. Okay. So the dollar index, as I told you yesterday, that it will be playing in this range for some time. A small trend has been formed, which you can see as I've made here. But this trend is actually, just inversely proportional to the hidden divergence, which we can see on the CCI. Now, the CCI clearly tells us that the momentum is pretty bearish. Anytime, anytime soon, we should be able to see dollar pounding downside. Dollar pounding downside, maybe from here or here. It will start dumping down and come on this support range, Until then, nothing. My indicator is not showing a divergence. I just marked it. Guys, go through the CCI video that I made for you guys. Those CCI videos are very, very important. CCI is a very, very good indicator. It's a cumulative indicator which help us in understanding the movement and momentum of buying and selling. The more buying happens, the more direction it shows. Like here, from here till here, it is showing a downtrend. But if we come on the line, or if we come on the candle chart, from the same place till the present place, we are having a uptrend. So CCI is showing us a hidden divergence that the prices will return down. So we should expect a very strong downturn from anywhere soon. Okay. Yes. What if the bullish momentum returns to the dollar? No, it cannot be because a lot of bearishness is still there. If we will go to the weekly chart of dollar, hmm, no, I don't think so. I think we need to wait for the dollar to come down. Dollar would come down for sure. I mean, dollar has to come down for sure, but not below 101.5. No, not below. Okay. So yeah, this is what DXY is doing right now. And who asked me about the DXY? I think I have answered you, right? DXY in a bullish day again. Yes, today DXY looks like it's bullish. If we'll go on a smaller time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minutes, we should get a clear picture. Okay, pretty bullish, pretty bullish. Here it is. Till 103.27, it's bullish. Good for this week on USD. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. And before we look at gold, what is gold doing? Let's do one thing. Okay, this is the movement of gold. Yesterday I showed you that it will come down, touch here on the support, and then jump up back again. So we just need to wait. It is coming down with good speed. Today is a very, very negative day for gold. $9 down already. Strong candles. Very strong candles, man. Very strong candles. Very, very strong movement. But the best thing is that it's moving accordingly, according to our way that we made. Okay, so revising what we learned, so we should be looking to sell on gold. It depends. If you're looking for a short term, I would suggest you go for sell. But if you're looking for a day trade or a swing trade on gold, for today, definitely it's a sell. It's a sell. It's a sell for now. At least till, let me see, at least till when? We always have to look on the past to know the present. So this is the first important place for gold. Then I'll stretch it. I'll extend it. Okay. Then what do we have? We have this area doing nothing. We have nothing here. Good jump. Huh? So what we need to do is we need to mark this space here as well. Now let's go to 30 minutes of 1 hour. Okay. So yeah, yeah. So what we do have some support at 1938. So from 1941 till 1938, we can go down, no problem. Then the other support that we have is starting from 1927, right? So once this 1938 support is broken, as you can see on the screen, this support. Ah, my photo is there in between. Huh? Wait. Now I think you guys can see. Oh, you guys, why were you not telling me that my photo is blocking the percentage? Huh? No problem. So, what I was saying is, gold, as you can see, 1938 is the range where we have a support. So, this is gonna come down till here, and then we have to see whether it breaks the support and checks the next support available, which is at 1927. If it checks out as well, if it checks it out as well, then definitely we're gonna break this second, right? So let me do one thing. Hear me? Guys, what happened? Can you hear me now, guys? Check your audio. I think the audio is okay. I'm checking. Okay, Gail can hear me now. Huh? Perfect. Perfect. So, see, that's what the movement I was telling you. This is the movement I was telling you. Gold is gonna come down on the support of 1938. Already on 1939 it came in front of us from 1941. Thanks. Okay, Elvis. I was talking about the movement of gold, how gold will behave today. Somebody asked me how's gold gonna do today, so that's what I was telling you. Yes, yes. So we wait to see if it will respect it. No problem. Let's see. How does it act on the support that we have made? I'm gonna go on a small time frame. Oh, zero. It was not a network, I think. Okay, so it's coming. It's coming on our support. Let us enlarge it. Let us come on 1 minute time frame to see the movements. This is our support. Let's see how it behaves on the support. All right. We have entered into the support region. Market is testing the support region. Let's see. Too much bearishness. Because if this support is broken, then we have bounce it. That's what we're looking for. Bounce will come. Here we go. Here we go. I can do an analysis on USD JPY, CAD JPY, of course. Let me open. Let us finish this analysis on. Let us finish the analysis on this first, and then we'll continue there. We might take a live trade. You guys can take a live trade if you want from the support. It's already acting now. See, I told you from the same support. Hello, sir. I am new. Which part I have to learn first? Brother Rupa. Rupa? What is this name? Rupa? Are you an Indian? Okay. So what you have to learn is you have to learn how to be consistent in trading. Don't be uh, a fast forward person or a hasteful person. You need to be a relaxed person in trading. You have to change your nature to a relaxed nature if you really want to take benefit out of trading, and eventually you will make good money, man. Just have patience. See, now people who would have taken a trade here on the support which I've given would have triggered their trades. Okay, you have to trade based on the personality. Took some entry on gold right now, waiting for it. What entry did you took? Long or short? Too much bearishness still there. Huh? I don't see any change in the chart yet of gold. Still, it is too bearish. An entry point came, no doubt, but it's too bearish. Candle is gonna change within 1 minute. Still bearish. Okay, I think it's gonna break the support. Pin bar candlestick on the 5 minutes time frame signaling a buy. Roberta, what is this pin bar candlestick? On 5 minutes, the candle that we have is a red candle, and that is also a doji candle. Same size of wick on the top, same size of wick on the bottom. So if the wick size is almost the same from on the top and on the bottom, I don't think it's a signal to buy yet. You need to wait. You need to wait for the candle to be matured enough. Matured means uh, just wait for a few more candles to see the momentum. See, that's why I told you. You need to wait. Not yet a signal. Price might even break to the downside. Yes, after this 5 minutes candle shows me a proper signal of momentum moving up, then only you take a trade. Right now, I won't tell you to take a trade. Just wait, have patience. What we got is a indication. Now, the confirmation will come with one more candle. Okay. So, can you suggest me some basics of where we get online to learn more better way to understand new things? Suggest me some basics so where we get online to learn more. Rupa, do one thing. Go through the old videos of mine from the starting and learn them and start watching them. Once you will finish all those 300 videos, I'm damn sure you will be ready with the basics and the fundamentals learned already. Okay. Why the picture is frozen? No. Go on trading.live. Yes, Rupa. Correct. Okay, so the market is breaking the support. See, so what is left now? There's nothing much left in the market. It has to test the next support range. Oh, it's pretty bearish, huh? What is the dollar index doing? Dollar index just making bullish and bullish movements. Good, 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 good. Now I need to check out the 4 hours chart for the gold to see some background as well. Eventually, my prediction was clear that it has to come down to test this support on the long run and then move up. Now, this candle at present is a very strong candle, you know. It is indeed a strong candle. It is. So, yeah, guys, don't forget to click on the clap button or the like button you have. Just beside the chat, you see a clap button. If you like the videos, please click on the clap button. And yeah, that motivates the trader always. That motivates your what do we call that, your teacher. The more good answers the students give and the more interaction the students do, the more happy the teacher gets, the more active and um, energetic the teacher gets, correct? So don't forget to click on the clap button always if you like the video. All right, what I'm gonna do is, let me see if I can get a trade anywhere. I can't get a trade on gold because we're sitting in between. I won't take this trade. A good trade day for gold sellers in the market. Yes. Thank you, Adelaide. Now, let me check the Euro JPY. This also came down. Huh? We made a little difference here. See, I told you, right? It's going to cover this area. It went from up to down to up, and now on the resistance, it's acting up on Euro JPY. Hey, yesterday only we made it. Yesterday only we made this area. Good. The market is playing ping pong game in our marked areas only. I don't think so. Joan, Euro JPY is not on the run to drop right now. Let me give you a better picture here. Euro JPY definitely not that bearish. No, it is not that bearish. I will still wait. I still have to, confirm it with this major. I mean, if Euro JPY comes below 153.0, 153, then I will say that yes, Euro JPY is going to come down. Still, a lower low has not been made. So Euro JPY is just playing around with the prices. Now, Euro USD, what are you doing? Pretty bullish. Euro USD is trying to jump up, man. Okay, this is a breakout as well. I think this is a trade type, trade invitation. If one second, let me tell you. Okay, so if uh, we can have this trade, we can have this trade if it comes down till this is what it's gonna be. We can have this trade. Very bleaky trade. This is long trade on Euro USD. Okay, good. What is gold doing? Still, support is not broken completely. Market is playing in that support. You guys should see how you guys like to play around with the charts. Like me, I'm a trader, but I take trades on the opposite side usually. Like if the market is going up on the turns and returns, I will take trades. Same like that. You should also know how you guys like to take trades on that side. Okay. Moreover, I think this has been good so far. You guys must have clearly understood how the DXY is moving, right? Because it's all about the DXY, how the dollar index is making movements here. It's all happening because of that. So when you do live trading, Rupa, because of my health, I do in the afternoon. It's not fixed because I can do it at the same time tomorrow as well. Once my health is good, then I will be regular and consistent in the time. But right now, it's a little inconsistent in the timing. But yeah, at the same time, you should expect me to do the live again. And very soon, I will be starting in Hindi as well. So maybe it will help you out, guys. Okay. All right, guys. What I'll do is now I'll take a leave. It was good. Let's uh, let's catch up again. Okay. Let's catch up again tomorrow, same time, same time, and let's try to revise of what we have learned today. Today we learn the movement of dollar index. Today we learn how a support from the past can help us in a present. What time you follow, so I make sure I'm on my same time, same time. Okay, and you can get if you have subscribed to my channel, you guys will get what do we call that? A notification, and I will be able to help you out. Okay. For recap all this time, thanks for sharing. Okay, the support is broken by the way. The support is broken after a lot of struggle, and for today, I think this 1926 should be tested as well. So this 5 minute support is gone. That's gonna be a breaker for some time. Okay, cool. All right, following on you. Thank you, Iris. Iris, your name is actually one of my best friends' name as well. All right, Iris, take care. Thank you, guys. Amanda, Athena, Iris, Rupa, Akshan, Hannah, Adelaide, Anastasia, Adair, Bob, everybody, Zoe, Pandora, Bele, Sebastian, you wrote, Jane, Kennedy, Albert. Thank you so much for coming. I'll see you up again tomorrow. My throat is a little painful today, but not to worry. I'll take something hot today and I'll fix it up.
So let's catch up tomorrow again. Okay, let's catch up again tomorrow, and I'll see you.
Same show. Take care. Love you all.